All right, we're going bowling and then we're going to the TRC race night. All right, Max wants to dig off the leg. Oh my God. So fruity, dude. Fruity ass throw, bro.
I was 2 steps to the left in the wrong spot.
Yeah, excuses.
30 miles an hour, come on.
24 miles an hour, folks.
Don't fuck it up, Evan.
Hey, I'm my mama's son.
All right.
All right, folks. We're at the meet. We're starting to pull up. We got a few fast boys with C7, C6 I just showed you. Biker boys are pulling up, and we're gonna see what kind of races we can get going.
The real though, we're at the roll races here. I've asked like pretty much everybody in the lot to race. The only guy that's willing to race me is the dude with the ski mask. So we're racing the dude with the ski mask.
Don't put any money on it or we're dead.
No money.
No money with a guy with a ski mask.
No money. Dude, it might even be bad without money, bro.
Yeah, you might beat him and
I gotta let him win, bro.
You might beat him and get aired out for no reason.
He's gonna pull a Draco out. But no, I've asked like everybody in the lot. Just asked the fucking car on Ford Hoosiers over there, the parachute Corvette. There was the trailer car that you guys filmed earlier, the 3-valve Mustang.
Yep.
I don't know, man.
In a damn 765.
Maybe Sonata race me.
This isn't even the Supra that people are denying you races in. This is just a fucking stock McLaren.
It's a stock McLaren. Come on.
That's crazy.
Where's my stock McLaren?
It's stock, bro. Yo, you should beat it with a boost lead.
We're racing him.
All right, racing McLaren.
Come on, bro.
Who's got the boost?
I got a boost league, so I just can't, I can't really.
Sorry, we got Chris Fix It.
Chris Fix. Hey guys, Chris Fix here.
You got money? I can fix that shit real quick.
Crazy work.
Who's still there, whatever it is. What do you got done to it?
We have a stock McLaren for you to race.
It's chilling. What do you got done to it? It's chilling.
So you're like fucking the bootleg license right now, trying to press me to race.
What do you mean? Hey, people came here not to fucking like, you know, parlay. We fucking work, bro.
No parlays.
I see a lot
Work.
of. Let me come say hello. Give me something else to race.
Okay, bro. What do you mean?
Bro, you have
McLaren 765, bro.
What's pushing like 6'7"?
It's bone stock 7. Bone stock 700.
All right,
All right.
I lose, you're
All
not.
right.
you're gonna race him, but you're not race me?
No. We gotta post
You're gonna race
it.
him?
It's a McLaren. If I beat him, I can say I beat like that.
All right.
Wait, how much you talking
Oh, we got bankroll.
I thought it was
What's that?
What's that?
Yeah, $10 on it.
$10 pot.
Lock it in.
Yo, that bankroll. Oh my, that bankroll's growing.
$20. Hey, that's a steak dinner. That's a steak dinner.
I didn't think there was 10 in here, bro.
Texas Roadhouse, bro. That's a steak dinner. Lock it in.
No, you know what you're doing, bitch. $10 pot.
$10 pot. I need the $10.
Okay, yeah.
And I'll hold the pot.
All right, there we go. Little 40.
Actually, let the cameraman hold the pot.
Cameraman's got the pot. Cameraman's got the pot.
So far, you gonna race him? You not race me?
No, it's just a Mustang. It's just a Mustang. You know, but it's a McLaren. If I say I beat a McLaren, it means a lot more than I beat a Mustang.
All right, but we got all rights.
Oh my God, bro. Hey, somebody fucking kill me. What the fuck?
Sorry.
Yo, really?
Listen, I'll race you another day. Let me get an oil change.
I got a race for you.
No, here we go. I already see your face. What is it? What is it? TTRS? No. Absolutely not. I'm on the biggest bully. I'm on 8 pounds. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? I want something fair in my weight class. And he's in my weight class.
You're racing the GTR.
That motherfucker, he got a boost league. What you talking about? I said, this is gonna limp and this guy's gonna gap the fuck out of him.
He beat him fucking 2 weeks ago.
What the fuck?
Me, again. Big money pot. Big money fucking
Big
pot.
money, big fucking money
Big
pot.
money pot.
And he don't want to race me.
Extreme.
He don't want to race me.
All right. You want to race? I got a race for you.
But you want me to fucking race the TTRS?
No, I got a race for you.
But him?
X3M.
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
X3M.
You 30?
No, it's on Pump 93.
What the fuck?
What do you want?
93. Yeah, I'm on 93. What? Racing his car?
Everything's on
Oh, why you saying like that? Why you saying like that? What you saying like that?
That's what we take. That's what we take the kids to school
It's a
in.
bakery, Papa. It's a bakery. You want digs? Go to Home Depot. I'm not doing that shit. Go get shovels. Go get shovels. Go get shovels. I don't do that. Okay, whatever, bro. Like, you want to check the pulley, Mr. Crispix? You can make the little formulas in your head. And you calculate it.
You're energy. I got a car for you to race right now.
No, but you want to fucking puppy kick that shit. I'm
I'm not trying to puppy kick. You got to.
TTRS. Get the fuck out of here, bro. If I was pulling down, yes.
How many cylinders you got?
Nah, don't go there.
No. How many cylinders you
Nah,
got?
don't go there. That's not that. You know that math doesn't math.
Let's puppy
That's not
kick.
the right math.
Let's puppy kick. How many cylinders
That's
you
not the right
got?
math, bro.
Okay. Do you have 8 cylinders?
Yes, that's facts.
Do you have boost on top of the 8 cylinders?
Very low boost, yes.
Okay. So I have 5 cylinders with boost.
Okay, now how many pounds of boost are you running in those 5 cylinders? Please, no, enlighten the fucking class. How many pounds of boost?
Maybe 30.
Wow, I'm running 8. Fuck out of here, bro.
That's all right, but you
Fuck out of here, bro. No, I don't
you
wanna
got
hear
3
shit.
extras. We're on map 0.
What the fuck is map 0 to you?
Map 0 to me is wastegate pressure.
That doesn't mean anything to me. What is map 0? 6, 7, 8, 9?
Wastegate pressure is 18 pounds.
Half. Bro, what's to lose?
18
What's
pounds.
to lose?
My ego? The fuck? What's to lose? My ego?
I'm telling
I don't give a fuck about money.
The fuck?
My ego's more valuable. The fuck? Fuck out of here. The fuck? Nah. I'm not a fucking loser. Imagine me losing that. On some wastegate shit, I'll never sleep.
I was trying to get you.
I'll never sleep, guys.
We finally found a race.
Finally, bro.
GTR, fastest GTR in New York.
New York.
That guy's cool.
Mexico.
That guy's cool. I like him.
Sanad's a fucking vibe.
Sanad, I like him, bro.
Sanad, bro. He's
He's a vibe.
I've known him from when I first bought my TTRS 3 years ago. He was at the first ever car meet that I went to.
Damn.
Yeah,
all
I've
right,
known him for a
yeah,
while.
y'all go way back. He's cool as shit though. First night I met him, I like him.
Looks.
Too late! Too late! He came up with the cutthroat like, nah, too late. Ready? 1, 2, 3! I was spinning, bro. Yeah, but you walked him. That never happened. It never happened. It never happened. Put it away. I didn't talk to anybody about
$20 is 20
Yo,
bucks.
we don't talk about
20
that.
bucks is 20
we don't
bucks.
talk about that. I heard the turbos blew up. I said, fuck no. I don't wanna race no
I
more.
got that on camera at least. That was gold.
If you want to race the TTRS, then.
No, definitely not.
No, not his.
This is just
Not
for show.
his. Not his. Not his. That one.
No, definitely not. I see a camera on it. Nope. I should learn my lesson from that one. I bet. Moral of the story. If you see a 360 camera on any car, do not race them. If you're lining up with them and you hear that, don't race them. I put up to your window, you started laughing. I knew I was
I
fucked.
changed the settings and it feels a lot faster now.
$20 in the pocket, boss. In the pocket.
Buy some chicken nuggets.
Yes.
This guy right here, when I first moved to Orlando and bought my TTRS, this is the first guy I ever met at a car meet.
Hell yeah.
Sanad the goat.
OG.
Back in the
3
day.
years
OG.
ago,
bro.
Back in the, it's been
Hell
a
yeah.
fucking minute.
3 years.
It's been a minute.
Hell yeah.
4 years, I don't know.
You started laughing at me on that screen. I hate you.
We'll go to 7-Eleven. Second we pass them, we set
And then
up.
once we pass, we just set up? Yeah. Okay. And then, okay, so you can just flag it. He yells loud, so you'll be able to hear him. And he'll make sure you're ready before he says, I don't got any shit, I just hit the gas. So I don't got an anti-lag or none of that bullshit.
Alright, so before we set up, let me make a hit, make sure everything's straight. I don't have trash control, I don't have shit.
Perfect. Sounds good, bro. All right, be safe.
All right, boosted S550. Let's see what he's got.
This thing's gonna be fast.
He's got the tire for it.
I'm about to go race the fucking green ski mask, dude. I'm a little nervous, actually.
It's part of racing, bro.
It's probably a fast car. I mean, we don't know anything about it, but it's a big tire, and from the sounds of it, it's making over 1,000. But we'll see.
Yeah, he said 700. I don't believe that.
Did he actually say 700?
Yeah, I don't believe that for a fucking second.
Definitely not.
What the fuck?
It's a bike with a nitrous bottle, bro.
Bottle on an S1K is crazy.
Max would crank.
Max would approve. He'd crank a nut out to that.
Approved.
Approved. Did you hit limiter?
Yeah.
I was like, bro, we pulled on him and then he came right back because you hit limiter. Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god!
Hey, what are you doing? My mom's got a smaller pulley than that.
Take care of the motor because I'm a little inside. My bank account looking kind of weird.
Looking kind of weird, bro.
No, I'm trying to take care of the motor inside.
Hell yeah, that was a good fucking race.
Way to fucking yes.
Ready, brother? Yeah, brother. 1, 2, 3.
Capped.
Damn, bro.
Capped.
Stop my ass! Stop my ass! It's got a tune.
Yeah.
You wanna go again?
Yeah, hold on.
1, 2, 3.
A bustling. We're winning tonight, bro. We are winning tonight.
Mine. I've got one stage up turbos, but they're still fucking baby ass turbos.
Yeah.
But my tires, hey, you've got twice the tire than I do,
Yeah.
and I can't hook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I've got to get bigger tires.
Yeah.
Then I'll try you again.
Hell
Sounds
yeah.
good, man.
We'll be around anytime, brother.
Hey, thanks anyway again.
Hey, that was a good race.
I didn't have anything for you, but I was going to try you anyway.
I
Hey,
appreciate it. Thanks for trying.
that's racing, baby. That's racing, brother. Good dude. Good dude. Such a good night for Gib Racing.
Gib Racing, go top.
Such a good night for Gib Racing. Ooh, nice.
Mulberry red.
Yeah, mulberry.